Oh, it's that one. That one is a district line. Oh, there's a district line to Ealing Broadway there. And a district line to Upminster. That one's just came. S-stock, more like squeak stock. There goes that one.
Ladies and gents, customer service update on the district line. District line has got minor delays at present from Victoria to Whitechapel as there's some points problems going on at Whitechapel. So if you could possibly I'd advise you to use the Piccadilly line from here, and it will be a lot slower on the district line once we depart South Kensington. Once again, there is minor delays on the district line owing to the points problem ahead at Whitechapel.
I'll just say how we get there. Yeah. Can we go along in the train?
Okay, this train is now ready to depart. Please mind the doors. And if you possibly can, please use the back. Please mind the doors.
That sucks. Oh well. So there is minor delays. Oh god, between I think Victoria and Whitechapel, and in between there is Tower Hill, where we need to get to. Oh damn.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Sloane Square.
Hello there, ladies and gents. We're currently being held at a red signal. This is because of a points problem ahead at Whitechapel. All trains from here to Whitechapel have been told to remain on the platform for approximately 10 minutes. This is while the points can be checked at Whitechapel. If I receive any further updates, I'll let you know. But at present, we're being held at a red signal owing to this point problem ahead at Whitechapel. And I'll keep you updated with any further information if and as I get it. And saying that, we've just been given the okay to proceed, so we're going to go to the next stop, Victoria, but we may get held in between stations. Please mind the doors. Once again, there is a point problem ahead up at Whitechapel. They've currently just been inspected by track technicians, and trains at present are being held in platforms while these points are being checked. Once I get any further information, I'll update you with it.
The next station is Victoria. Change for the Victoria Line, National Rail Services and Victoria Coach Station.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Victoria. This is a
They're currently being held at a red signal. There are severe delays on the district line between Earl's Court and Whitechapel, owing to the points problem ahead at Whitechapel. Severe delays on the district line between Earl's Court and Whitechapel. If you possibly can, please use the Victoria line and then change where necessary to continue your journey. Currently being held at a red signal. Once again, this is owing to a points problem ahead at Whitechapel. Once I receive any further information, I'll update you.
It's not what I mean. It's like this, yeah. It's like this.
The red traffic light. Having delays. What? What? On the Jubilee? Well, Victoria Line does not go along that way. It goes southbound and we're going eastbound. So that doesn't really work. It's only eastbound or west.
Points problem ahead at Whitechapel. There are severe delays on the district line between Earl's Court and Whitechapel. Severe delays on the district line. If you possibly can, please use the Victoria line and then change where necessary to continue your journey. Severe delays on the district line.